In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the Renegade row exercise. Now, firstly, you're going to need 2 dumbbells for this. You can use a mat should you wish to, but you don't have to use one. Now, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to bring your hands and grip the dumbbells. Once you've got that position, your wrists need to be nice and strong, so we don't want the wrists coming into a position where they're too far into extension or flexion. Keep them nice and strong and straight. The dumbbells are in a position where they're shoulder width apart. My feet are going to be nice and wide, and I'm going to lock out the knees. So I'm going to come into this position, dumbbells directly underneath the position of my shoulders. The dumbbells are shoulder width apart. And then from here, nice and wide with my feet, and I'm directly over the position of these dumbbells with my shoulders. From here, I'm going to brace my core and glutes, rowing each dumbbell up to the side of my body. And you'll notice there's a lot of core in this. As soon as you bring one dumbbell off the floor, you've got to support yourself with your core. And you'll notice that bringing yourself into a position where there's 3 points of contact, your body's going to want to rotate, your hips are going to want to rotate, and it's your core and lower back that have to keep nice and strong to make sure that you don't rotate too much during this exercise. Of course, if this is too hard, do a version and variation where you do this on your knees to begin with before going into a position where the legs are completely straight. That's how to do a Renegade row. 1 dumbbell is coming into your side, you bring the dumbbell back down and you repeat on the opposing side. You'd repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.